Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in a fun challenge. I am participating in this awesome nature-inspired challenge with 5 other talented ladies, which I will go over the hosts and the playlist a little bit later in the video. I do have 3 nature or natural-inspired home decor DIYs to share with you. Super excited to share those with you. I would, of course, love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and just give me a big thumbs up. All right, guys, let's jump into the DIYs. So for the first DIY, these palettes came from the Dollar Tree. The stickers come off so easy. I had this Deco Art Sea Spray acrylic paint. It looks like a green or what am I trying to say, like an aqua green. Super, I love it. I only did like a really light coat, almost like a dry brush technique, because I still wanted some of that natural wood to shine through. And then I took one of these Dollar Tree magnets. I thought they were so cute. How perfect is this? It says grow, it's got plants in it and everything. Just centering it on the palette, taking some of my, or a generous amount of hot glue, and going to adhere it to the center of the palette. Next, these stickers came from the Dollar Tree. I did buy these last year. I did use it in a DIY already last year, just taking that craft apart and using it for this one. I just loved the foliage in it as well. I loved the flowers. So I'm just kind of staging it where I want, placing one of the leaves in the corner, and then I'm just going to hot glue the other flowers on the opposite corner. And to finish it off, just taking one of these tumbling tower blocks, hot gluing it to the back and adding it to make it stand up straight. Now, the magnet is quite heavy, so you kind of want to lean it a little bit more at an angle than you would normally, because otherwise it'll fall over forward. So here it is all done. What do you guys think? I thought it's super cute, super nature-esque. I love it. So you guys know today is nature-inspired DIYs. We have Michelle, we have Ellie, we have Favi, we have Becky, and we have Marika, and we have myself as host for this awesome challenge today. I'm going to leave everybody's links in the description box, and I'm going to leave this awesome playlist in the description box as well for you guys to take a look and say hi. All right, guys, DIY number 2. This was just a glass that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. It came with a stand as well. I used it for an Easter DIY last year. Found these gorgeous leaf stickers. They had a whole bunch of different styles as well. They had like roses. I got some that were fall leaves as well. These are great because they are clear or see-through stickers, so you can put them on any surface. Now, I'm just kind of seeing what I want here. Be careful with these stickers because there's so many leaves and so many little curves and grooves. They can rip quite easily, so just be slow when you take them off. So I'm just going to place them strategically around this votive holder. So I wanted to seal all the stickers in place. Now I wanted to use the shiny Mod Podge, but all I had was a matte Mod Podge. It still left a shiny finish, but it was a little bit more, wasn't as see-through as I was hoping. So in this scenario, I would probably use the shiny Mod Podge. So again, I'm just showing you how it's done. So taking a brush, using Mod Podge, just going over them. Now I always make sure to go in the same kind of stroke. So I always make sure to go in a straight line. That way when it does dry, if there are any streaks, at least it looks kind of uniform. So I had these wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. Everything you guys know is from the Dollar Tree in this video. I'm just going to hot glue to the bottom. I just thought this would be so cute to look like a little votive stand as well, again, with the nature theme. And then I'm just, so here you see that it's a little, you can still see that it's a little shiny, but yeah, I'm just letting you guys see there. Now I'm just going to take just a little bit of jute twine, wrap it around the top of the candle, and just tie it in a bow. And then I'm just gonna pop a battery operated votive candle, again from the Dollar Tree, just inside, and that is it. I just thought it was so cute. You could stage this with like a dining room table, add a garland around it, add some other candles. I just thought this was so cute. What do you guys think? Super easy as well, right? So last DIY, I found these paddles from the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree always carries like different paddles, but this was different to me this year. Double-sided, but this one was more a particle board. They have had real wood ones at the Dollar Tree before, but this one's just straight up particle board, but they're super cute and they're like the perfect size. You guys know I'm just removing that sticker. I don't need a heat gun here. They actually do come off quite easily. Just be slow when you do it. Now, I found these letters from the Dollar Tree, wooden letters. Just gonna take the HME, and we're gonna spell home, but I'll show you what I'm gonna use for the O in just a bit. Taking the letters, I'm gonna just take some white acrylic paint, giving the letters each 2 coats of paint. So for the O, I'm going to take this cute little cactus. This was from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. It had those little clips on it as well, so you could put it with other DIYs. Now, I love the green. I love the way it looks so far, but I'm just going to take some of this Deco Art Sea Spray paint. Looks very, oh my gosh, like even like a nautical green. Like I don't even know how to describe the green. I just love it so much. Anyway, I'm going to give this whole cactus a coat of paint as if you're painting a pine cone. So you want to make sure you get the bottom of the leaves as well. I'm just using my blow dryer to speed up the dry time. So just hot gluing everything in place. Now, remember the cactus is plastic. I find the plastic and hot glue, it takes a little longer for the glue to cool down. So just hold it a little bit longer. And that is it so far. I just think this green looks so cute. Guys, you have things in your house that you can even use as well. This is like a thrift flip. I had this belt from another, like an outfit from years ago, and I just kept it because I thought, oh my gosh, I love this rope. It looks very nautical. Anyway, you see that I've already started. I painted one side with the sea spray. Again, you really want to get in there. It's almost like painting jute twine as well. So it does absorb a lot of paint. So you got to keep going in there using my hair dryer, just speeding up the dry time. Just going to cut off 2 pieces to put on the top and the bottom of the home sign. And okay, so that is essentially it. You're going to see the final result. I could have added a little string through the hole of the paddle, but what do you guys think of this? Super simple, super cute. I just love this sea spray green. Now I'm kind of remembering, everybody kind of says it's like celery or sage from the Waverly paint. What do you guys think? So that is it for this awesome challenge. I am so happy to be working with these lovely ladies. Again, I'm going to leave everybody's link in the description box. I'm going to leave this awesome playlist in the description box as well. I would love if you guys could go over and say hi. You guys do know I also have an Instagram account as well, where I do post some other things or things that I find at the Dollar Tree. I would love it if you could go over there and say hi to me as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just give me a big thumbs up. Have a wonderful day. Bye.